Today I will test a new indicator that gives you perfect buy and sell signals with high precision, that I bet you have never heard of. I will test it almost 10,000 times to see its performance. Stay tuned to see all the real and proven results of this amazing indicator. Let's go! So I'm on TradingView, which is the platform that I use to backtest every indicator and strategy. TradingView is a platform that you can use for free, but if you are ready to use its premium tools to carry out trading in a more professional way, you can enjoy a discount of up to $30 when you use the link I left in the description, which is an amazing discount. For the backtest process, I will use an algo that I created that can backtest over 100,000 trades in just a few seconds with the most real and proven results possible. It is a highly powerful tool that you will have full access to from today on. In a few minutes, I will explain in more detail how you can use it. If you are grinding to become a better trader, believe me, it will be something that will change your life forever. Let's now add the indicator, which is called Twin Range Filter, this one here by Colin. The settings that I will use are the default ones, which are 27 for the fast period, 1.6 for the fast range, 55 for the slow period and 2 for the slow range. There is not much to say about how this indicator works, as you can see that it alerts you when you should buy and sell, so it is very simple for beginner traders. Also, I am going to search for the ATR indicator and I will use it with the default settings. I use the ATR indicator to place the stop losses and the take profits on every single trade. For stop losses, the value will always be 1.5 times the ATR pip value, and for take profits, 1 times the ATR pip value. I will now code the indicators. So, I just finished coding the indicators on my algo with the respective buy and sell orders. And another important point in my code is that whenever the indicator gives a new signal before the previous one is closed, the algo will close the position that was already open and enter in the new one. Let's see if everything is okay in our code. Here we have an example of a long signal. The algo considered the entry point after the closure of the signal candle given by the indicator. The stop loss value is 1.5 times the ATR pip value, in this case 1.5 times 68, which is 102 pips. And for the take profit, the value is 1 times the ATR pip value, so in this case 68 pips. This trade will be a profitable one, the take profit was hit here. After that long signal, the strategy gave a short signal. The algo considered the entry point after the closure of the signal candle given by the twin range filter. The stop loss value is 1.5 times the ATR pip value, in this case 1.5 times 66.9, which is 100.4 pips. And for the take profit, the value is 1 times the ATR pip value, so in this case 66.9 pips. This trade will be a profitable one too, the take profit was hit here. The algo will backtest this indicator on the daily time frame, on the 28 most common forex pairs, and using the same in-sample data I used in all my other videos. So in this way, we will be able to compare this indicator precisely to the other ones we have already tested in the channel. The risk per trade that the algo will use is 2%. The arrows that you see are the entries and exits from every trade signal. So, as you can see, our algo is working correctly and respecting the in-sample data. To point out the results, I will use the same Excel sheet I used in the last videos. I will now speed up this part of the video a little bit, but you can slow it down to see the results of every single pair. I see you in a bit. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free and, in this way, you will never miss any of my videos. I remind you that nobody else does backtests with more than 10,000 trades here on YouTube. It is just me. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Here are the backtest results, and we can see that after almost 7,200 trades, our twin range filter indicator has an average win rate of 59.85% and a profit of 49.91%. However, we can notice that in pairs with Japanese yen, the results are very poor. Of course, we could now use the indicator with other settings that will change this situation, but for now, I will just withdraw the 7 pairs with Japanese yen to see how much the results change. As you can see, the results change a lot. Now, in these 21 pairs, which continue to be a big sample size, after almost 5,300 trades, our twin range filter indicator has a new average win rate of 60.73% and a profit of 116%. So, we can see that it is a profitable indicator with a good win rate. Of course, these results can improve much more if you test the twin range filter with other settings or use other indicators to filter out false signals, such as a moving average or a volume indicator. In my channel, you can find videos about these two types of indicators, which I believe have a super positive impact on any strategy you test. Links to both videos in the description. Since the twin range filter can give signals quite early, you will be able to catch big trends several times. So, you can also test it with higher take profits or use a stop-loss trailing system. With my backtesting algo, I can also do that, as you can see. As you saw during this video, this algo does all the backtesting work for you. It does in seconds what it will take you months or years to do manually. And the best part is that it gives you real and proven results for each indicator and strategy. It can be applied to any time frame, market, or with whatever settings you want. Its possibilities are endless. This algo will, from today on, be your best friend that will help you find the best trading strategy. And no, it doesn't cost thousands of dollars, as my main goal is to help you finally succeed in trading. As such, you will be able to have full access to all my algos and many other premium contents through the channel's Patreon, just for a symbolic value. In this video, you can see in detail what you can do with this algo, and analyze the Excel that you will have full access to whenever I bring a new strategy to the channel. Spots are limited, so don't miss this unique opportunity. And get ready, because your best trading days are coming. Links in the description. Finally, it is important to say that this indicator also works very well with cryptos, stocks, and even in the metals market. So, for the lucky ones who will have access to this algo from today on, feel free to test it wherever you want. I look forward to receiving your feedbacks. You can do it through the comments here on YouTube or through the public Discord group. I will be waiting. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.